Hi there. This lesson we're gonna learn how to multiply polynomials. Of course, if you like, you can download the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me. Let's go straight into it. First one. So we wanna find px times qx. And we have px is this and we have qx is this. So we just times them together. Of course, both of them are more than one term, so we need to open and close bracket, okay, when we times them. So that is equal to 5x to the power 3 minus 4x squared plus 6x minus 7, and we times with 2x minus 3. So now what we do, we just remove the bracket. So we have 5x to the power 3 times with 2x. So 5 times 2 is 10. X power 3 times x is x to the power 4. So 10x to the power 4. Then 5x to the power 3 times negative 3. So 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. So negative 15x power 3. So I just write minus 15x to the power 3. Then negative 4x squared times 2x. So negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. And x squared times x is x to the power 3. So negative 8x to the power 3. Then negative 4x squared times negative 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. So 12x squared. So plus 12x squared. Then we have 6 times 2x. So 6x times 2x. So 6 times 2 is 12. X times x is x squared. 12x squared. And then we have 6 times negative 3. So which is negative 18. But negative 18x. So minus 18x. And then we have negative 7 times 2x. So which is equal to negative 14. And then minus 7 times negative 3. So which is plus 21. So just write 21. There you go. Now we just collect like terms. But then 10x to the power 4, there's no like terms. So we just write that down. So that will give me 10x to the power 4. And then we have negative 15x to the power 3 and negative 8x to the power 3. So 15 plus 8. So 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 9 is 3 is negative 23x to the power 3. Then we have 12x squared plus 9 is 12x squared. So which is 24x squared. Add 24x squared. Then this one here, negative 18 minus 14. So we just add them up. So 18 plus 14 is 32. So which is equal to minus 32x. And of course the 21, we just write it down. So plus 21. There you go. That is px times qx. Second one. So we need to find px times q of negative x. And we have qx is this, right? So we just have to find q of negative x first. I just write qx down first. So q of x, which equal to 2x minus 3. Now we need to find q of negative x. So q of negative x, which is 2 lots of negative x minus 3, which equal to negative 2x minus 3. Now we just do px times q of negative x. So now I just expand the bracket. So we have 5x to the power 3 times negative 2x. So 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. And x power 3 times x is x to the power 4. So negative 10 x to the power 4. Then we do 5x to the power 3 times negative 3. So 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. So minus 15x to the power of 3. Next one is minus 4x squared times negative 2x. So 4 times 2 is 8. So 8x to the power of 3. So plus 8x to the power of 3. And then minus 4x squared times negative 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So 12x squared plus 12x squared. And then we have 6x times negative 2x. So negative 12x squared. So minus 12x squared. Then 6x times negative 3. So 6 times negative 3 is 18, but it's negative 18. So the answer is negative 18x. We have negative 7 times minus 2x. So 2 times 7 is 14. So plus 14x. Just right. Plus 14x. And then the last one is minus 7 times minus 3. Negative 7 times negative 3 is 21. So just plus 21. There you go. Now I just collect like terms. So which equal to negative 10x to the power 4 minus, now we have negative 15x to the power 3 plus 8x to the power 3. So just go 15 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. Add 5 is 7. So negative 7. Okay. So minus 7x to the power 3. Then 12x square minus 12x square is cancelled out. We have minus 18x plus 14x. So 18 minus 14 is 4. But instead of 4 is negative 4. So the answer is minus 4x. And of course the 21, I just write this down. So plus 21. So there you go. Now, next one here. So this one here. Now to find cube of x power 3. So we know that cube of x is up here. So cube of x is 2x minus 3. So I just write this down. So 2x minus 3 all power of 3. Now don't forget a power of 3 is same as a squared times a. So therefore this one here is the same as 2x minus 3 power of 2 times 2x minus 3. There you go. So to do this, I can just use this a minus b all square, which is equal to a square. And then we go a times negative b, which is negative ab. And then we double it. So which is minus 2ab. And plus this negative b square is b square. So now to expand this, we have 2x all square. And then 2x times negative 3 give you negative 6x. And then you double it. So that gives you negative 12x. And plus minus 3 square is 9. And then I just times this 2x minus 3. Alright. Then I just expand a bit further. So 2x all square is 2x all square is equal to 2x times 2x if you like. So that gives me 4x squared. So this one I just write 4x squared. And minus, of course, a bracket here. I just write this down. 12x plus 9 and then 2x minus 3. Then I expand one more time. So this is 4x squared times 2x. 4 times 2 is 8. So 8x to the power of 3. So which equal to 8x to the power of 3. And the next one is we go 4x squared times negative 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So minus 12x squared. So minus 12x squared. Then minus 12x times 2x. So minus 12 times 2 is negative 24. So that means minus 24x squared. And then minus 12x times negative 3. So 12 times 3 is 36. So 36, that is plus 36x. 9 times 2x. So 9 times 2 is 18. So which is plus 18x. Then 9 times negative 3 is negative 27. So I just write minus 27. And what's next is just simplify all these like terms. So 8x to the power of 3, there's no like term. So I just write this down. And then I collect like terms with this minus 12x squared and a minus 24x squared. So minus 12 minus 24, 12 plus 24 is 36. So minus 36x squared. And then I have 36 plus 18. So 36 plus 18, so 36 plus 20 is 56. But a less 2, so which is 54. So plus 54x. Of course, just use calculator otherwise, okay? So minus 27, I just write this down. There you go. This is qx power of 3. Next one here. Now, to find px, so remember, if we have y over 2 equal x, to find y, remember, we just times this by 2, we times this by 2, that cancel out, y is 2x. So let me write out the question first. So we have p of x over 2x minus 3. So now what I do, I times both sides by 2x minus 3. And of course, this is have to be bracket 2x minus 3. And then this is simplified by just cancel out. So therefore, p x is equal to, I just remove the bracket. So 3x squared times 2x. 3 times 2 is 6. X squared times x is x to the power of 3. So 6x to the power of 3. So 6x to the power of 3. And then 3x squared times negative 3. So 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. So minus 9x squared. And then we have negative 2x times 2x. So 2 times 2 is 4. So minus 4x squared. So minus 4x squared. And then we have minus 2x times negative 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. So the answer is 6x. So it's just plus 6x. Then we do 4 times 2x. So which is 8x. And we have 4 times negative 3, which is minus 12. Now I just collect like terms. So 6x to the power of 3, there's no like terms. So I just write this down. 6x to the power of 3. Then we have minus 9x squared minus 4x squared, which is minus 13x squared. So which is minus 13x squared. And then we have 6x plus 8x, which is this one here, 6x plus 8x, which is 14x. So I just write plus 14x. And then we minus 12, just write this down. So negative 12 or minus 12 if you like. There you go. So this is px. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. How did you go? Let's go through it together, okay? So the first one, p of x times q of x. So we have p of x is this and q of x is this. So we just times them together. So just write this out, equal 2x squared minus 3x plus 5, and we times by 3x plus 1. And to expand this out, we go 2x squared times 3x. So 2 times 3 is 6. X squared times x is x power 3. So 6x power 3, okay? So 6x to the power 3. And then we have 2x squared times 1, which is 2x squared. Just write that out. Plus 2x squared. Then we have negative 3x times 3x. So negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. And x times x is x squared. So minus 9x squared. And then minus 3x times 1 is negative 3x. So I just go minus 3x. And then we have 5 times 3 is 15, but 15x. I just write this down. And then 5 times 1 is 5. There you go. Now I just collect those like terms. 6x power 3, there is no like term. I'll write this down. And this one here, we have 2x squared minus 9x squared. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So negative 7x squared minus 7x squared. And then we have minus 3x plus 15x. So 15 minus 3 is 12. So plus 12x. And then the 5, I just write this down. There you go. 6x to the power 3 minus 7x squared plus 12x plus 5. Right, second part. We already figured out p of x times q of x. So to find out p of 1 times q of 1, we just substitute the 1 with this x expression here, if you like. So we just replace x with 1. So that is equal to 6 lots of 1 power 3. Which is 1 anyway, but I just write that down. 7, 1 square, plus 12, lots of 1, plus 5. Then you can just put in a calculator and just get the answer. Otherwise, I just write this down. 6 times 1 is 6, 7 times 1 is 7, plus 12, plus 5. Then 6 plus 12 is 18. 18 minus 7 is 11. You add another 5 is 16. There you go. Now, otherwise, what you can do, you can find p of 1 and you find q of 1 and then we multiply together and you should get 16 as well. Let's try it, okay, to see if we get it. Now we have p of x is this, okay? So we just work out p of 1 first. So p of 1, is equal to 2x squared, that means 2 lots of 1 square. So just write 2 lots of 1 square minus 3 lots of 1 and add 5. So that give me 2 minus 3 plus 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7, minus 3 is 4. So which is 4. And we have q of x is here. So which mean 3x plus 1 mean 3 times 1 plus 1. Because we want to work out q of 1. So which is 3x plus 1, which means 3 lots of 1 plus 1, which is 4. So now p of 1 times q of 1 is the same as p of 1 is this and q of 1 is this. So we just times them together. So which is 4 times 4, which is equal to 16. There you go. So p of 1 times q of 1 is 16 and p of 1 times q of 1 is 16 here. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.